Factor through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
Yeah. 1 to go. Shane Greco to his outside in the R54. Troy Frazier in the 0. The 32 of Larry Blankenship. And the 113 of Brandon Francis. Dustin Booth. And the 41 of Joe Cox. 7 cars. 4 will transfer into the show. 3 will go to the house. Green flag in the air. 10 laps going to be the distance on this B main. Shane Greco to the top spot. He'll work down into turn number 3. Troy Frazier working off of the corner as well. Oh, Blankenship, heavy contact. Oh, he's going to get bounced into by Butch Blankenship. Trying to get the rest of the field, what's left, situated and ready to go. Green flag, and we'll see. Nope, I didn't think it was going to stick. Caution is going to come out. Caution is out. All around the racetrack, we'll finally get everybody to back them down. Troy Frazier in the 0. Entry going to work down into turn number 3 and 4. Green flag in the air and back on the throttle. Loud pedal going to get matted down into turn number 1 for Frazier. Here comes, of course, the R54 of Greco. Here comes the 113 machine up to second. Francis on the move. Brandon Francis now looking for the race lead up on the top side. He'll rip the lip. Brandon Francis. He'll lead the field down into turn number 3. Brandon Francis on the top side. Frazier on the bottom in the 0 machine. Brandon Francis. Troy Frazier in second. Remember, 4 drivers get in. Blankenship desperately trying to make this show. The 41 of Joe Cox trying to hold on to that final transfer spot. Blankenship in the 32. Caution is out. He'll go around. Gonna take it like I said. Small 5-minute break, then we'll go NXT Legends and Sport Mods. Need to be ready. NXT Legends and Sport Mods. Main events coming up. Green flag, final 5 laps here in the Super Lake Model B main. Everybody currently in the show. So just for basically their starting position on how they'll start between 21st, 22nd, 23rd, and 24th about to be decided. Coming now, 3 laps to go this time. Brandon Francis. In the 113, Troy Frazier, Shane Greco, and Joe Cox. Your top 4. 2 to go. Popsicle sticks this time by.